Hi everybody, this is Dr. Madison Saylor. I'm a chiropractor here at Saks Wellness Center in Gaylord, and I'm coming at you this week with another video. We're continuing on this month's theme of spinal discs. So today we're going to be talking about ways to strengthen those spinal discs. If you have missed our previous episodes, be sure to check those out to learn what spinal discs are. So it pretty much goes without saying that no one wants to deal with back pain, and a lot of times it comes from spinal discs like we've talked about in previous videos. So if you're living with pain or looking for ways to prevent future pain, what I can tell you is we have to look at your whole spine and, most importantly, your core. Core is something you've probably heard repeated many times when it comes to working out or being strong and healthy. Strengthening your spinal disc isn't just about disc, it's again about core, because the spine is supported with our trunk, our core, that includes the muscles, the ligaments, and tendons that all have to work together to keep us moving so that we can have a happy and healthy spine. Your core needs to be balanced so that you can perform the best. If you are thinking of a core, think of a 360. If just the back half is strong and the front half is weak, that's not balanced. It's not going to support you. So a lot of times what we'll see, especially in my patients that I treat, is the back muscles are strong, but the abs, the core in the front, is weak. So if we want to strengthen the core, what are some things we can do? Well, there are specific core exercises that will help strengthen those muscles and tendons and ligaments we talked about. Another thing is, it doesn't have to be a specific core exercise. It can just be as simple as going through your spine range of motion throughout your day. So if you're just, finding yourself sitting there all the time, maybe get up and move around and stretch, bend forward, bend backwards, side to side, and maybe do a little rotating, nice and easy, just to keep those spine aligned and moving the way it's supposed to. Again, like we talked about in previous videos, those spinal discs don't have a great blood supply, so they get their nutrients that they need to heal and repair through movement. So if we're sitting and we're not moving all the time, those spinal discs aren't getting the nutrients they need to make us feel happier and healthier. And finally, my favorite tip to support the core and the spinal discs is spinal adjusting. Movement is great, exercises are great, but sometimes we have that stubborn spot that doesn't want to go away. So that might be cause to call your chiropractor and say, hey, I've got this spot, can we check it out? Most certainly. So again, I want to give you guys a phrase to think about. It's, we don't get old and stiff, we get stiff and then we feel old. If we can keep our bodies moving and happy and healthy, we don't have to worry about getting stiff and feeling a little bit older than we should. Now, again, keep your spine moving, stay active, happy, and healthy. If you're suffering from back pain or you're worried about future back pain, don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call. We'd love to work with you. We'll do a movement assessment, see where you have problems in your spine, get those corrected for you, and have you have a happier, healthier life. Thank you so much for joining us again this week for another video. We will see you again next week, and make sure to like and subscribe and share to your friends if you found this video helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.